The term cyber pandemic refers to a widespread and severe cyber attack or a series of cyber attacks that have a significant impact on individuals, organizations, and even nations. It can involve the compromise of sensitive data, disruption of critical infrastructure, or the spread of malicious software on a large scale. To protect yourself from a cyber pandemic, here are 4 essential tips. 1. Keep your software updated. Regularly updating your software is crucial in protecting yourself from cyber threats. This includes your operating system, web browsers, antivirus software, and other applications. Updates often include important security patches that address vulnerabilities exploited by hackers. Enable automatic updates whenever possible to ensure you're always using the latest, most secure versions. 2. Use strong, unique passwords. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to protect your digital accounts is by using strong, unique passwords. Avoid common and easily guessable passwords like 123,456 or password. Instead, create complex passwords using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Additionally, consider using a password manager to securely store and generate unique passwords for each of your accounts. 3. Be wary of phishing attacks. Phishing attacks are a common method used by cybercriminals to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information or installing malware. Be cautious when clicking on links or opening attachments in emails, especially if they come from unfamiliar sources or seem suspicious. Verify the legitimacy of emails or messages before providing any personal information. Check for telltale signs of phishing, such as poor grammar, mismatched URLs, or requests for sensitive data. 4. Secure your network. Protecting your network is essential to prevent unauthorized access to your devices and data. Start by securing your home Wi-Fi network by enabling strong encryption, WPA2 or WPA3, and changing the default administrator password on your router. Additionally, consider using a firewall to monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic. Regularly review your connected devices and remove any unnecessary or outdated ones to reduce potential vulnerabilities. Thanks for watching. Make sure subscribe YouTube channel.